pursuit from Dillard, Slidell. Foot pursuit from Dillard. White female, gray top, blue jeans, brown hair. Put your hands up! Get out!
I'm getting
On the ground, on the ground.
I didn't do nothing. Hey, my car's rolling, sir. I didn't do anything. Sir, what did I do?
All right, 2 in custody.
Slidell. Outside Dillard's, the first thing she says is a denial. Seconds later, the officer is calling out a foot pursuit, clothing, car color, and a Mississippi plate. But what makes this moment interesting is not just that 2 suspects ran, it is that the officer does not stay in a police car. He ends up in a civilian vehicle, using a stranger's help to keep the Silver Buick in sight until police can take control again.
How you doing, ma'am?
I didn't take anything.
Okay. Come on, walk with me. All right?
I didn't take anything, sir. I mean...
Come on and walk.
The first key turn is not a tackle or a crash. It is the radio description. Foot pursuit from Dillard. White female, gray top, blue jeans, brown hair, Silver Buick, Mississippi plate. Those words turn a running person into a vehicle other officers can actually find.
Foot pursuit from Dillard, Slidell. Foot pursuit from Dillard. White female, gray top, blue jeans, brown hair. Towards Old Navy, trying to get in the car. What? Silver Buick! Get out! Stop! Stop the vehicle! Stop it! HBH 031, Mississippi. HBH 031, Mississippi. Silver Buick going towards Marshall's.
Interestingly, the pursuit continues from a Good Samaritan's car.
Follow him, follow him. Go, go, go.
It was a what? Was it this one?
They went left. They went left.
Wait.
I don't know where they went.
It's right, they're right there. They're going around the back.
Go and give them the air.
They went right.
They're turning right towards, on Town Center, towards the circle. I'm in a vehicle with a civilian. I'm going to try to keep sight of him. Just go, just go. I'm sorry.
This chase is not won by speed, it is won by keeping the thread alive. Left, Town Center, the circle, up ahead in traffic, Remo and 10. Every short phrase keeps the Silver Buick on the map, and every second the civilian driver keeps moving, the police net gets one more chance to close.
Okay. You were running and I was trying to...
Going up towards Remo?
10-4. It turned right onto Town Center towards the circle. Trying to see if I can keep sight of them somewhere. They're around the circle towards Town Center.
You see them?
Yeah. They're going around the circle.
All right.
They went around the circle already. They're up ahead in traffic.
Then the target gets sharper. A white male driver, bearded. A white female passenger, brown hair, gray shirt, blue jeans, thin build. At this point, officers have moved from a store complaint to a specific car and 2 specific people. What was taken still has to be proven separately in UN Hummin Wen Umrelli.
I'm at Remo and 10.
It's a white male driver, bearded. White female, brown hair, gray shirt, blue jeans, thin build.
I'm at Remo and Town Center where I can see and turn off. Which way?
He doesn't make the arrest. He simply keeps the suspects in sight until police take over.
Get in this middle lane. Trying to see if I can spot it in the traffic circle.
Is that them right there?
It's right in front of a gray Dodge. It's in front of a black. It's in front of a black Dodge in the right lane, getting ready to turn towards the interstate. Behind a silver SUV in front of a black Dodge pickup. HBH 031.
We got it.
Okay, yep. Okay, there you go, sir. Thank you for your service.
The civilian's role remained limited. He did not tackle anyone. He did not give the stop commands. He helped keep the target in sight while the authority to stop and arrest stayed with police's.
Get out of the vehicle! Shut it off! Shut the vehicle off! Stop! Do not move.
Before officers take control, one detail stands out: the handoff. The civilian kept the car in sight. Now police are back in control.
Put your hands up! Get out!
I'm getting.
On the ground! On the ground!
I didn't do nothing.
Even after the stop, the scene still is not fully under control. Someone says the car is rolling. Officers call out 2 in custody and code 4. That is why the end of a chase is not the same thing as the end of control.
Hey, my car's rolling, sir. I didn't do anything. Sir, what did I do?
All right, 2 in custody. Code 4, everybody back it down.
What did I do?
Roll over.
After the stop, officers read the rights. One safety warning stands out: he has not been patted down yet. Then the denial comes back: I didn't take anything. What we have here is the chase, the assist, the stop, and the custody, not a final court outcome.
Hey, look at me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney, have one present with you while you're being questioned. You cannot afford one, won't be appointed to represent you for any question. So at any time to exercise your rights, not answer any questions, make any statement. Do you understand your rights? You know exactly why. Get up.
Sir, just grab my phone out of there.
We're not grabbing nothing. He has not been patted down yet.
Okay.
In the car. Come forward.
Your date of birth there.
I'm right here. I didn't take anything yet. I didn't take anything, sir. I'm not taking anything. I didn't take anything.
The listed charges go beyond a simple store call. Kelsey Baird, 34, was booked on theft, resisting an officer by flight, and possession of meth. Eric Boudreau, 43, was booked on theft and resisting an officer by flight. Police reported about $7,000 in stolen merchandise. Under Louisiana theft law, a conviction for theft valued between $5,000 and $25,000 can carry up to 10 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. That is not a verdict. It is the exposure if the charges are proven. The line that stays with you is not "get out of the vehicle," it's "thank you, partner." Slidell police later identified the driver as Leslie Smith and presented her with a citizenship award. She did not make the arrest. She helped keep the suspects in sight at exactly the right moment.
To public safety. On November 1st, you displayed those qualities when you assisted one of our officers in apprehending a fleeing suspect. At a moment when many would have stepped back, you chose to step forward, acting selflessly and without hesitation to ensure justice was served and that our community remained safe. This action exemplifies the strong partnership between our officers and the citizens that we serve. It reminds us that public safety is and always will be a shared responsibility. So on behalf of the men and women of the Slidell Police Department, our Mayor, Randy Fandle, it is our honor to present the Citizenship Award to Ms. Leslie Smith.
If an officer jumped into your car and said, "Just go," what would you do?